you. I'll come picking at your bones. You won't have a single atom left to call
Just the way a song should end. A bit of feedback, a little crunching, a little bit of this and that. That was the Circle Jerks with I Want to Destroy You. Now, I mentioned before the song started to listen to the backing vocals because it really does blow my mind. It was kind of a nice female voice in the back. All right, Circle Jerks, punk band, 80s, Keith Morris with the dreads. He's very, very punk. And singing background was none other than little 80s pop starlet Debbie Gibson. Yes, the girl that sang Lost in Your Eyes, Electric Youth, those sort of songs, singing along to I Want to Destroy You. I just think that's absolutely brilliant. And it just so happened that they were just both recording albums at the same time. And Keith asked Debbie, hey, you want to sing in the background? And she said, sure. And then we have that. It wasn't just a series one-off sort of thing like that, because Debbie Gibson, I have to laugh because I just can't picture this, but Debbie Gibson joined the Circle Jerks on stage to perform that, and lost for words. I don't understand it, but I think it's fantastic anyway, and that's the sort of stuff you hear on Parallel Sounds, just great, weird stuff like that. I'm running out of time, so I'm going to stop talking and play this next song. It is a band, The Crack. The song is called My World.
Question every single up on the wall. I need a little elbow room. I need space, man, that ain't all. Yeah, get home first thing, you know. The folks jump on my case. Get a job with the dishes out, put the trash back in its place. Someday when I'm a man, I'm gonna put them in their place. Cause my old man's a fatso. He's got a pot belly for a mouth. Maybe my old man's a fatso, but you know he owns this house. Highway, feels so good to see open space. I don't feel like a prisoner, I don't feel like a basket case. I turn the radio up to 10 and you know I found my place. Yo, get a job, put the dishes out, put the trash back in its place. Now that I'm a man, I'm gonna piss right in their face. Cause my old man's a fatso, he's got a bathtub for a mouth. My old man's a fatso, but you know he owns this house.
Oh, that was a very sudden ending there. I've only got time for one more. I spoke entirely too much today, so I'm just going to back announce those songs. That was the Angry Samoans with My Old Man's a Fatso. Not very nice, but a little bit of a cheeky shout out there to Paul and Chase. Chase, I hope you're rocking on, you coolest kid ever. And before that was A Crack with My World. One last song before Mitchell takes over with his show Say More. Oh my God, I've been saying far too much more. I'm just going to go straight into the song now. It is from the band Deep Heat, and the song is called Clean Break, and I will see you next week from 6 p.m. here on Swear FM 99.9.
Swar FM plays the 70s till now.